Good morning, students. Today we will solve some questions related to the chapter 12. It is, you can see the question says that according the exercise 12a. Okay, if AB is equals to 2.5 centimeter, CD is equals to 3.9 centimeter, then you have to construct a line segment whose length is equals to AB plus CD. Now what you have to do, you have to first AB, see the value of AB is 2.5 centimeter. So according to that, AB, the value of AB is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now plus symbol, then CD, what is the CD is here, that is 3.9 centimeter. Okay, so add this 2.5 plus 3.9. okay, add this is 6.4 centimeters. Now what you have to do, with the help of ruler, this is your ruler. Okay, in this way you can see this ruler. Then here it starts, we start with 0, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10, then 1 centimeter, then okay, from this one, from 0 to you have to draw 6.4. okay, this 6.4 you have to draw a line, that will be the line segment. okay, 6.4. Suppose the question says that in the same one, this is the second one, question says that 3AB minus CD. Now what you have to do, 3 is there, in between nothing, sign is there, that is plus minus, then that means it is an multiplication. So 3 into AB minus CD. So AB, what is the AB? That is 2.5. So 3 into 2.5. okay, 2.5 minus CD, that is 3.9. So you have to multiply 2.5 with 3. 15 1 to the 6 7.5 minus 3.9. So after subtracting this 7.5 minus 3.9, the answer will be, you have to draw a line. okay, 3.6. so you have to draw a line of, with the help of ruler, you have to draw a 3.6. okay, you have to draw a line with the help of ruler, 3.6. okay, in this way you can solve. okay, so, and you know that I have tell you about the angles. okay, so you can see with the help of this you can draw so many angles. okay, with the help of this you can draw so many angles. This is the middle one is the 90 degree. okay, and rest 90 degree, then this is 80, then 70, then 60, then 50, then 40, 30, 20, 10, then this will be the 0. okay, and here 90, then 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and this will be the 180. This is 0 and this is 180. So if you draw above 90, here 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, and 170. Here 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and this will be the 0. okay, so if in this way you can draw, with the help of protractor you can draw a angle. okay, the middle one will be the 90 degree. okay, clear? Now come to the circle part. okay, now we will read about the circle part. circle part, then you know that the circle, that is In this way you can draw a circle. Okay, this is a circle. So we will learn a circle is the set of all those points in a plane whose distance from fixed point remain constant. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. This is the fixed point. This is the fixed point. This is known as the center of the circle, and the constant distance is known as the radius. The constant distance is known as the radius. Suppose this is the radius. This is a radius. The half line is known as the radius. Okay. So now if you draw a point here inside the circle in this way, all the points you can see inside the circle, this is known as the interior. Okay, this is known as the interior. And if I draw a point outside the circle, so this point will be called as exterior point. What? Exterior point. Clear? Okay, if I draw a point outside the circle, then it will be the exterior point, and if I draw a point inside the circle, then it will be the interior point. Clear all? Okay, so the middle point is known as the center of the circle, and the line from the center of the circle till the end of the circle, this is from this to this is known as radius. Okay, this is known as and radius, and this the whole circle, and this one, the outside, is known as circumference. What? This is circumference. Clear? This is known as circumference. And if I draw a complete line from touching the midpoint, okay, from touching the midpoint this way, in this way, this is a complete line I draw by touching the midpoint, that is known as diameter. Okay, this is known as diameter. Clear? Diameter. Okay, this is the largest line. Okay, and if I draw another circle, okay, this is the radius, the short one. The short line is known as radius. The big line is known as diameter. And if I draw so many lines here, not in the middle, remember, not in the middle. Okay, not in the middle. Okay, this I draw a line. This all lines are known as what? Chord. This all lines are known as chord. But this chord will not touch the middle. Will not pass from the middle. If the line pass the middle by touching this midpoint, then it will be the diameter, not the chord. Remember, the line, if I pass from this midpoint, then it will be known as a diameter, not the chord, and the chord doesn't touch the midpoint of the circle. Okay, and see, suppose if I cut the circle, in this way, so this will be the half circle. This is known as a half circle. This will be known as semicircle. This way, this is known as semicircle. Okay, this one, if after cutting this circle, it looks like this way, so this will be the semicircle. This will be the semicircle. Okay, clear? Now what will be the relation between diameter and radius? See, the formula for diameter, see, this is the radius, this is the half is radius, but if I draw a complete line, that will be the diameter. See, the half line will be known as radius, and the full line will be known as diameter. So formula for diameter is full one, 2 into radius. Okay, so if the question says you have to find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 4.5 centimeter, okay, we know the radius 4.5 centimeter, then what we have to do? Diameter is equals to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. That will be 2 into 4.5 centimeter. That will be the 9 centimeter will be the diameter. So remember, formula for diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Formula for diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Clear? In this way you can solve the question. Okay? And remember, you no need to do the exercise 12D and 12E. Okay, no need to do the exercise 12D and 12E. I am saying in the video, listen the video carefully. Don't ask me by messaging me, sir, we have to do or not. Okay, 12D, 12E and 12F, no need to solve. I am saying again and again. Okay, up to the circle you have to solve, isn't it? If you have any doubt, then you can message me. If you have any doubt, then message me. Okay, so we know the formula for diameter, that is 2 into radius, and this all about the circle.